Three held on CCTV after business owner taken out in Hanover. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Head of the Area 1 Police Network, Assistant Commissioner of Police Clifford Chambers, is reporting that detectives in Hanover have made headway in their investigation into the taking out of a supermarket operator in the parish on Wednesday, October 19. The Assistant Commissioner of Police, Mr. Chambers, have stated that 3 persons have been arrested and the investigation indicates that more persons were involved in the attack. He said that detectives are continuing their pursuit and with strong leads.
The police were alerted and has so far discerned that the motive appears to be robbery, though other motives are being pursued. 3 persons have since been arrested following investigative lead, and others are being searched for as we speak. Investigators are diligently proceeding with the investigation and will be relying on eyewitnesses, digital and forensic capabilities in advancing the probe. I must therefore ask that anyone with information that can further advance the investigation to immediately contact the police.
Video footage of the robbery perpetrated by the 2 men who gunned down the business operator in the supermarket in Hanover on Wednesday have been making rounds on social media. The businessman was shot dead by a gunman during a daring robbery at his establishment in Green Island. He has been identified as 36-year-old He Yang of St. James and St. Anne addresses and is also known as Archie. The Jamaica Constabulary Force Information Arm, the communication arm of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, confirmed the incident. The police have so far ruled the motive for the taking out of the business operator as robbery. Chambers is appealing to members of the public to support the investigation by sharing what they know to detectives. Persons with information can call the Green Island Police at 876-956-9200, the Lucy Police at 876-956-2333, Crime Stop at 311, the Jamaica Constabulary Force tip line at 811, or the nearest police station. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.